Good morning everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my morning routine when I'm on the go for work. I am currently having a really busy week right now. I was actually in Jeju for the past few days with a production company, and then after that I had to fly to Seoul because I have work to do here today, and then I'll finally be going back to Busan tonight. But I thought it would be interesting to show you guys some of the behind the scenes, what I do if I'm just kind of living out of a hotel room. I do want to preface this by saying, like, this is my morning routine when I have stuff going on later in the day, because if I have like an 8 a.m. start, like in Jeju we have to kind of start at 8 a.m. Of course I don't really have time to do a ton of stuff, but today in specific I don't have to do anything until about lunchtime, so we have plenty of time to have a good old morning routine today. Before we get started, I just want to say, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, join our family, and I'm also over on Instagram. I'm very active on there, so if you want to talk more, I would love to chat over there. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment below if you want to see more behind the scenes stuff like this, or what kind of vlogs you want to see on my channel this fall. Alright, so yeah, the place I'm at right now is not actually Seoul, it is Gyeonggi-do. What's the name of the actual city? Ilsan. I'm in Ilsan, and it's because I have to go to a place called Kintex later today to film an expo, but I'm going to show that in a whole other vlog. That's not what this vlog is about. But my face is very puffy because I just woke up. Today I'm showing you a tool that has made me turn that negative mindset completely around. So because this video is all about having a productive morning, I'm really excited to share this amazing tool that I have been using lately, Spike. Spike combines all of the best features of tools like iMessage and Facebook Messenger and Slack, and they bring them to your existing inbox. So you just sign in with your current email and it makes it look and feel like you're chatting. One of the biggest things that sets me off track when it comes to productivity is when my important emails just get lost in my inbox. So Spike has made communicating with my clients so much easier in several ways. First of all, it clears out all of that messy clutter, like the long signatures and chains and emails. They offer 3 conversation modes, so you can organize your inbox just the way you want. And I love the advanced search feature because I'm always wasting time looking for a file or a specific email. I'll usually search by a keyword or a subject, and that specific email will show up, and I don't end up wasting a bunch of time. Spike is actually completely free if you're a student. I personally love having this app on my phone because I can use it when I'm on the go. Overall, I love Spike because it has really made communication between my clients and I seem 10 times easier, and I know you guys will love it too. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can learn more about Spike, and thank you to Spike for sponsoring this video. When I was in Jeju, I was very proud of myself. I walked every morning by myself, and it's just something that really helps clear my head, honestly. I do it at night also, and yeah, I bring my headphones, I listen to music or something, and it's just really nice to start your day off being active, because if you're planning on like sitting all day or being on a bus for a long time, it's important to move your body before that. And I'm also gonna grab a bottle of water at the convenience store because I don't have any in here. So let's head out. I'll see you guys out there. By the way, here is my hotel room. Usually I will book like a very cheap motel, but I had every intention of filming a video or 2 while I was here, so I was like, let me get something a little bit bigger with a nicer view. But it's nice because in Korea you can actually like stay at a hotel for like 40 bucks. Obviously it's not going to be like great quality. This one I think was like 100 bucks. I had Subway for dinner last night. Nice big bed. And here's the view of where I'm staying. It is very green around here. There's lots of walking paths and stuff. So yeah, I wonder what they're gonna build in here. Probably apartments. It looks like they're already blocking it off, getting ready for something. All right, let's go walk in.
하실까요?
테이크아웃.
테이크아웃.
네. 그 바닐라 크림 콜드가
바닐라
아니고,
크림
네,
콜드.
아이스트. 혹시 두유 있어요?
요거는 베이스가 두유 변경이 안 돼요.
아, 안 돼요?
네.
오케이, 괜찮아요. 네.
그러면 사이즈를 어떻게 할 거예요?
그럼 안 돼, 사이즈.
한잔 하시면
사이즈를 제거해주세요. 감사합니다.
13번 불러드릴게요.
Woohoo! This is such a treat for me because it has milk in it, so it typically doesn't really do well with my stomach, but I'm just gonna sip on it really slowly. Oh, this is so good. All right. Ta-da, we are cleansed. Oh, it feels so nice to be back in the bed. I put my hair up just to get it out of my face, but I always travel with my computer. Mornings like these that I take advantage of having it and I just get some stuff done on the go. I've actually been thinking about purchasing an iPad, but I don't know if you are a content creator and you have an iPad, is it worth it? Do you use it a lot? I don't know. I've heard that you can do great and quick editing on it and it's good to take on the go. It's good for thumbnails, but at the same time I'm like, do I really need that? Would I actually use it? So comment below, do you have an iPad? I'm specifically talking about like the newer ones, the really big ones with like the pencil thing. Let me know. I would love to hear. Okay, side note you guys, I showed this drink, the vanilla cream cold brew. I don't know if it was in my vlog. I think it was in my vlog. And I've gotten so many DMs from you guys saying you've tried it, which makes me so happy. I'm a little bit sad that they can't make it with the soy milk, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to get your vanilla cream cold brew. Alright, I just realized that I didn't really talk about what I'm doing today, and I'm doing some research for that right now, so I figured I would hop on and just talk about it. But today I am going to an expo, and like expos are something that I've recently been going to a lot more of for YouTube, because I think the creators and the staff at these expos realize that influencer marketing is a great way to get, you know, the name out there. So the expo I'm going to today is a hydrogen mobility show. Wow, that is something I never expected to go to. So I'm just on their website right now and I'm just doing a little bit of research about it because obviously I'm going to be filming it for another video, so I should probably have an idea of what I'm doing. It's at this place called Kintex, which is literally right over there. Kintex is like a big exhibition hall that a lot of these shows are put on at. So later on, I'm just gonna leave my luggage here, and I have a flight at 5 p.m. to go back to Busan today, so hopefully I can make it. I don't think I'm gonna be at this show for more than like 3 hours, unless it's huge, I don't know. But I'm really excited, like an H2O mobility show, like what? I feel like I have a lot to learn. I start getting ready. I'm just gonna eat like half of my breakfast now because I'm really hungry. Gotta love the eggs, guys. Gotta love the convenience store eggs. Always coming in clutch. I've realized that I never took a shower this morning, but I did my skincare, so I just rinsed off. I didn't wash my face or my hair or anything. I'm gonna show you guys quickly how I do my waves in my hair. So this is how my hair dries naturally. It's like, it's okay, but it's not like, you know, like it's not something presentable if I'm like going to an event, you know. But I actually use my flat iron. I've never actually owned a curling wand, and I've used it like once and I just didn't like it. I don't know, I feel like curling wands take longer, and maybe if you're more accustomed to them then they're gonna work better, but I'm just more accustomed to my flat iron. So I basically just take it, I clamp it, I hold the end, and I just twist it. Like I twist it literally once, and sometimes I'll do another twist at the bottom. And that's it. Do you see that nice little wave? And I'm serious, guys, it takes me maybe 5 minutes to curl my entire head. Like, it's so easy. So if you've never tried to use a flat iron, I definitely recommend it. I think you have to use one that gets hot on the outside. It's not gonna work if it's only hot on the inside. But this flat iron I literally bought from Walmart back when I lived in the States. It's by the brand Golden Hot. It was like 30 bucks. My hair is done, and then I'll usually just take a brush and just make it look a little more soft and loose. Just like that. 5 minutes. Super, super easy. And I don't use hairspray or anything. I'm really lucky in my hair. It does fall, but it still keeps curl throughout the day, so I just choose not to add any product. Sometimes I'll do serum, but I forgot to pack it on this trip, so we're done. Alright guys, here's my outfit. I'm just wearing a white dress and a little cover up, and I've got all my stuff. It's kind of a lot, but because I have the chocolate from Jeju. But I'm gonna store my stuff here at the hotel. But I do have some more time to kill, so I'm just gonna hang out in the lobby until it's time for me to go. Alright guys, so it is time for me to go now and I guess officially start my work today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a very like chill but productive morning. I'm glad I was able to get a lot done on my computer. I was able to take my walk, I got my coffee, and I feel very wide awake now. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. Also, don't forget to click the link below to try Spike out. I know you guys are going to love it as much as I do. That's about it. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!